In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a pool on WhatsApp, whether for a group or for a personal person, a single individual. Let me show you guys how to do this. So to do this, you just need to tap on here, the attachment sign, and you can see a pool here. So now I tap on that, and now I ask the question. So maybe what is cryptocurrency? What is crypto bloom? And then you add the answers TT, CT. Let me do it YY. And let me do this Jing, and I think this is T. This is a double T. Let me drag this here. So if you want to add, you just need to scroll down and then you'll be adding the option, something like that. So now let me send it. Good, and you can see here. So when I choose this, it means here. So this is how you can create a pool in a WhatsApp group. Let me show you guys how to do this to a normal or a single person. So now let's come here. Good. So we just tap on the attachment sign once again, and then we tap on the pool, and then we go over with the same procedure, something like that. And then after that, we tap on here to send it, and that's it. So that's it on how you can create a pool on WhatsApp. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.